To send money from Wise to PayPal, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have a Wise account and a PayPal account. If you do not have these accounts, you can create them on the respective websites. Once you have both accounts, log into your Wise account and click on the Send Money option. You will be asked to enter the amount you want to send in the currency of the recipient. Since you are sending money to PayPal, you should select the currency that your PayPal account uses. Next, you will need to select the payment method. In this case, you will choose bank transfer. However, since you are sending money to PayPal, you will not be using a traditional bank account. Instead, you will need to use PayPal's bank details. To get PayPal's bank details, log into your PayPal account and go to the Withdraw Money option. Then, select the option to withdraw money to a bank account. You will see an option to add a new bank account. Select this option and choose the country and currency of your Wise account. PayPal will then provide you with the bank details that you need to use to send money from Wise. These details will include the bank name, branch, account number, and routing number. Copy these details and go back to your Wise account. In your Wise account, enter the bank details provided by PayPal. Make sure to double-check that the details are correct, as incorrect details can cause the transfer to fail. Once you have entered the details, review the transfer and make sure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transfer and Wise will send the money to PayPal. The transfer may take a few days to complete, depending on the currency and the speed of the transfer. It is also important to note that there may be fees associated with sending money from Wise to PayPal. These fees can include transfer fees and conversion fees. Make sure to check the fees before you make the transfer, so you know exactly how much money the recipient will receive. By following these steps, you can easily send money from Wise to PayPal. Just remember to double-check the bank details and review the transfer before confirming it. This will help ensure that the transfer is successful and that the recipient receives the correct amount of money.